Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will solve a few most important MCQs on family law. So those who are preparing for All India Bar examination this year, this video lecture will be very helpful to you all. Okay, so these questions are very expected question. Okay, so please don't skip the video. Okay, अच्छे से आप लोग देखना. Family law consists of both Hindu law, Hindu law and number 2 Mohammedan law. ठीक है, Mohammedan law. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's session. Okay, the first question is about what is the legal age for marriage in India for males. Okay, males के लिए marriage का legal age कितना है? Options are 21 years, 18 years, 25 years and 20 years. So in this case, the correct answer would be option A. Okay, that means 21 years. That means इसके लिए कितना minimum age requirement है? That is 21 years requirement. Okay, so in this case क्या होगा? In this case, option A would be the correct answer. Okay. So now moving to next question. Next question is which law? Okay, which law governs divorce in India for the Hindus? Options are the Indian Succession Act 1925, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Special Marriage Act 1954, and the Indian Divorce Act 1869. So in this case, the correct option would be option B. That means the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. ओके, दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन ने क्या बोला, कौन सा लॉ है जो इंडिया में गवर्न करता है, किसको? डाइवोर्स को गवर्न करता है. ठीक, इन दिस केस ऑप्शन बी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Next question is our under Hindu Marriage Act. Okay, what ground can a husband seek divorce? Okay, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट में हस्बैंड कब डिमांड कर सकता है? ठीक है, डाइवोर्स के लिए डिमांड कर सकता है. सो ऑप्शन सर देखिए, एडल्ट्री ओनली, desertion only, cruelty, adultery and desertion and only mutual consent. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means cruelty, adultery and desertion by the wife. By the wife अगर है then only that husband can seek for divorce. Okay, that means cruelty, adultery and desertion are the grounds under which a husband can seek divorce under Hindu Marriage Act. Under Hindu Marriage Act. Okay, this क्या होगा? In this case option C would be the correct answer. Now moving to next question. Which of the following is not a ground, okay, for divorce under the Hindu Divorce Act 1869? So options are देखिए, adultery, desertion, conversion to another religion and mental illness after marriage. Okay, that means इनमें से कौन सा ground है which is not the ground for divorce, जो divorce का ground नहीं है? कहाँ पर, कौन सा एक्ट में? इंडियन डाइवोर्स एक्ट 1869 में. सो ऑप्शन सर देखिए, ऑप्शन सर देखिए, एडल्ट्री. दैट एडल्ट्री इज द ground for divorce as per the provision of Indian Divorce Act 1869. Desertion is also, conversion to another religion, this is also ground for divorce. So in this case the correct option would be option D. Option D. Okay, that means mental illness after marriage, that means this is not the ground for divorce. Okay, so in this case option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम पीरियड फॉर फाइलिंग ए पिटिशन, ओके, फॉर डाइवोर्स अंडर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स क्या बोला है, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट के अनुसार कितना मैक्सिमम पीरियड दिया गया है फॉर फाइलिंग ए पिटिशन. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सर देखिए, ऑप्शन सर क्वेश्चन क्या रहेगा, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम पीरियड फॉर फाइलिंग ए पिटिशन फॉर डाइवोर्स अंडर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट. ओके, दैट मीन्स हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट के अनुसार कितना समय दिया गया है टू बोथ द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ फॉर फाइलिंग ए डाइवोर्स. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सर देखिए, ऑप्शन सर 6 months, 1 year, 2 years and no maximum period. So in this case the correct answer would be option C. That means 2 years. Okay, correct answer would be 2 years. That means in this case option C would be the correct answer. That means after within 2 years of the marriage, that means within 2 years of the marriage, okay, a husband or wife, any one of them can file a petition for divorce as per the provision of Hindu Marriage Act 19 1955. Okay, so in this case option C would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Under the Guardians and Wards Act, okay, who has the primary right to custody of child? Okay, so the options are देखिए, the father, the mother, the court, and the grandparents. So in this case, the correct option would be option B. Okay, that means the mother. That means as per the provision of the Guardian and Wards Act, the primary right, okay, primary right to custody of a child किसको दिया गया है? ये to the mother. किसको दिया गया है? To the mother. Okay, to the mother. So in this case क्या होगा? In this case option B would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. What does the term alimony refer to in family law? Okay, देखिए options options are division of property, financial support paid to a spouse after divorce, legal fees for divorce, and custodial support for children. So in this case क्या होगा? The correct answer would be option B. That means alimony means क्या है? Financial support. Okay, financial support paid to whom? To a spouse after divorce होने के बाद जो husband और wife जो financial support देता है एक दूसरे को after divorce. That means financial support is paid to a spouse by another after after divorce. आफ्टर डाइवोर्स. ओके, आफ्टर डाइवोर्स होता ही है. इसका प्रोविजन कौन सा सेक्शन में दिया गया है? 25 ऑफ सीआरपीसी में भी दिया गया था, isn't it? और न्यूली एनेक्टेड एक्ट दैट इज BNSS में कौन सा सेक्शन में दिया गया है? सेक्शन 144 ऑफ BNSS में भी दिया गया है, isn't it? So in this case क्या होगा? In this case option B would be the correct answer. Okay, so now move to next question. Next question देखिए. Which of the following statement is true regarding the adoption of a child in India? Okay, options are देखिए. Only married couple can adopt. Single individuals can also adopt. Adoption is illegal for non-Hindus. Adoption must be registered with the court. So in this case, the correct option would be option B. That means single individuals can also adopt. Okay, in this case option B would be the correct answer. That means देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला? क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है which of the following statement is true regarding the adoption of a child in India. That means अगर कोई भी एक अनमेरिड पर्सन है जो who is single individual can also adopt a child. Only married couple can adopt. This is also wrong because unmarried को भी ये right दिया गया है to adopt a child. Adoption is illegal for non-Hindus. This is also incorrect. Okay, adoption must be registered with the court. ये भी this is also incorrect. Okay, so single individual can also adopt a child. Okay, so in this case option B would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. What is the primary legislation governing the adoption of a child in India for the Hindus? हिंदूज के लिए ओके हिंदूज के लिए दो चाइल्ड एडॉप्शन का प्रोविजन कौन सा एक्ट में दिया गया है? सो देखिए options are the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Parents and Wards Act 1890, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, and the Juvenile Justice Act 2005. So in this case, the correct option would be option C. That means the Hindu Adoption and the Maintenance Act 1956. That means जितना भी चाइल्ड एडॉप्शन किया जाता है एंड मेंटेनेंस के बारे में जितना भी प्रोविजन दिया गया है रिगार्डिंग ऑल द हिंदूज. Okay, so all the provisions are given as per the provision of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Okay, so this is the governing act of all the adoption of children in India. So in this case क्या होगा? In this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, so now move to next question, and this is the last question. Okay, what is the principle of equal rights in the family? Okay, in family law, what is the principle of equal rights in family law? Options are देखिए. Only father have the right. Both parents have equal rights over the children. So in this case क्या होगा? Option B would be the correct answer. That means equal rights means क्या है? Equal rights means both the parents have equal rights. Both the parents have equal rights equal rights over the children, over the children. Okay, so in this case क्या होगा? So in this case option B would be the correct answer. So this is for all today. If you liked this lecture, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.